Alina, what are you looking for?
For Randall.
For who?
Randall.
Rango? The lizard? Where's he at?
I put him on my thumb, and he fell down.
You put him on your thumb, and then he fell off in the grass? He fell down in the grass? And you don't know where he's at?
Look behind you.
Okay, sit down.
I'll sit down.
You still can't find him, huh? Let's see your face. Oh, you have a pretty face. Alina.
Look down.
What's that on your shirt?
This. I was looking him down.
You were looking for him down?
That's definitely gotta go to the top. Oh wait, one of his videos. One of his videos. You get money
Silly.
for that. Owen, I don't want to hold him down. Oh no, I'm gonna take control. Daddy.
Yeah, babe.
I still want to hold Randall.
You can in just a minute, okay? Let's see Rango.
Yep.
I wonder why I'm getting like a blurry.